This is where we are controlling things in that preamp or gain portion of the console. And that's where the microphone is finally actually making it all the way to here, and we're controlling that sensitivity. And if I move into something on here like our EQ, you can see the frequencies indicated on this screen in a visual manner, and we can adjust things by, I'm going to go ahead and duck the 200 hertz here, maybe move that to 250. We've got a low cut that we can enable on here. Just some things to shape that sound, maybe get rid of certain frequencies that are less desirable. Here's some filters. This kind of has to do with EQ as well. So this right here is our low cut. And then we have things like the gate. Now in some consoles, like I said, this is all going to be in a line like this, and other ones where it's fat channel mixing, you're going to select something and it's going to do this. And then all of the buttons will become useful for just that one thing that you're controlling. But on here, I've got all kinds of other different tools I can use with the gate. We've got some inserts. There's the EQ that we looked at. We've got compressors. And on this particular console, you can actually move the order of some of these, but we're just going to keep it all basic right now. And then you have a second insert that you can use. And then a delay. I wouldn't look at any of this just yet. And then we're going to move from that. Again, here we are. Now, the amount of that volume that we're going to send on to the rest of the console. And then the EQ that we talked about shapes the tonal quality of sound. For vocals, boosting mid frequencies for clarity. For drums, cut low mids to reduce muddiness. Now, if you're in a group or you have a console in front of you and some live sound capabilities where you're at, this might be a good time to pause it and just kind of use that EQ and kind of see how it affects what's coming through, how it affects that signal, how it affects what you're hearing and what you're feeling.